Hi, I'm Karen Jones. I lead the inpatient activities team here in Hafan y Coed. We are open 7 days a week, 9 till 7, and we provide age-appropriate activities for all the patients in Hafan y Coed. So why don't you come along and have a look what we do? These are just a sample of the activities that we do here with the patients. Needlework,
Gardening,
Journaling,
chess,
baking,
hairdressing,
I enjoy seeing the patient smile. I feel that working down here you see a completely different side to patients than you do on the wards, and being able to do things with them that they thoroughly enjoy brings out the best in people.